We've seen really good results across a whole range of client types and facility types, whether it's a process-driven large factory, whether it's a set of small retail stores. We've been able to identify how they're using their energy, help identify energy wastage, and put them in a position to make better decisions with replacing equipment and upgrading equipment when the time comes. I think particularly on that topic of using the data to make better business decisions, we have a client that operates data centers. And one of their data centers, we spent some time analyzing their chillers, which is their biggest non-IT electrical load, identifying how they were performing. And by having a big set of data, both of how those chillers were performing, how their chillers in other data centers were performing, and then design documentation showing how, a replacement chiller would be performing, we help them build a really strong business case saying, here are reasonable expectations for what you can save with energy, with emissions, with costs. And we gave them that data, worked with them, helped them build a business case that was successful to upgrade their chillers. So yeah, it's a really good way to make data-driven decisions